Distributed denial of service attacks, or DDoS, overloads a network system, saturating the target machine request, either slowing down traffic or blocking it completely. REST API templates creates a solution with optional DDoS attacks protection service. The service is implemented as a middleware extension. Initial solution is created, update database connection string in test project app settings. DDoS protection is enabled and default values for attacks detection can be used. Note that full service level protection is set to false. Either the whole API service can be protected or just selected API calls. To protect specific API call method, flag it with custom attribute DDoS attacks protected. Again, another option is to protect the whole API service with full service level protection set to true. With these settings, it is permitted maximum 100 calls from the same API within 1 second. So let's run integration tests. All tests successfully passed. DDoS attacks test is set for 5000 calls, which will set as backlisted fake API set by middleware. Returned HTTP status code is equal to forbidden. After short pause of 2 seconds, API is set as whitelisted. So now 10 requests sent, and this time it was returned OK response from API. For Postman testing, let's set API project app settings, database connection, and change DDoS blacklisted release interval to 2 minutes. Make sure that full protection service is set to true, so all API calls are monitored for DDoS attacks. In this case, when we use Postman to do testing. So, open Postman UI and import pre-generated Postman JSON test file. Postman test JSON file is located in test project and in Postman's folder. Drag and drop it. GWT test will be executed. Open runner, Postman runner, and find GWT test that we're gonna run. Those are default tests that appear in our service default authentication. So before run tests, make sure to set Serilog settings to warnings level. And run API services as well. Go to the project view, and run API services. Okay, service is running. Go back to Postman runner and set 5 iterations before we run tests. So let's run them, and the 5 iterations of API tests will be executed. When running Postman test, it is used IPI 0001, and let's see if DDoS attacks is detected with these settings. All API calls were successfully for 5 test iterations. Now let's try with 10 iterations and run again tests to see if we can simulate DDoS attacks on our service. So yeah, this time DDoS attacks is detected and the REST API protection service returns HTTP response forbidden. And that tells us that the DDoS attacks was detected and API is completely blocked. 0001 API, which is used for our tests. So we try again and see it's completely blocked. So let's check serial log file content. So go to the location of the log file. So the log file is locked by running service, so let's create a log file copy and open it to see content. So we see the IP 0001 is blacklisted because issued 100 more service requests in 1 second. And the condition is set, and that particular API is blacklisted and forbidden response was turned for every call. So in DDoS service configuration, it was set 2 minutes as the release time for blacklisted APIs. So in the meantime, 2 minutes is gone. So let's try open again log file and see any new information in that log file. Create a copy again. Let's open, and we see now that API 001 was released and not blacklisted anymore after approximately 2 minutes. Yeah, definitely in real situation won't be 2 minutes, will be 24 hours or just like forever kind of time. So that's custom configuration that can be set. So let's run Postman test runner again. Now it's whitelisted back, so let's run again. So okay, we're running 10 iterations. So yeah, it seems okay so far. And we can see all successful. But we'll try again. Actually, right now we see that after that it's getting locked right away. It was locked and detected DDoS attack, and it's locked. Thank you for watching this video, and for more instruction, please check our YouTube channel.